Attorney Richard Griffin of the Griffin Law Firm. One common question I get is, how do you get the most money for a car wreck case? And that's an important question to know. How you handle your case from the beginning to the end will make a big difference. Immediately at the accident, you want to be ready to talk to the police to make sure that you can explain what the other driver did wrong. You also want to get witness information because a lot of times I need that to be able to prove liability in the case. If you need emergency care, you should go by ambulance if it's needed, or drive to the ER if you need that. If you don't need emergency treatment, then it's important that you go to a doctor soon after the accident. If you wait too long, an insurance adjuster is going to argue, or a defense attorney, that you weren't hurt. They'll say he waited 1 day or 3 days or a week. The longer it is, the stronger their argument is that if you were hurt, you would have gotten treatment. The next thing you need to know is you need to make sure that you call me. You need to call a good, experienced personal injury attorney or workers' comp attorney so that you can have guidance. In an auto case, the adjuster is going to try to get your recorded statement as quickly as possible, and they are trained to take the words that you say and use them to hurt your case in any way they can. So you never want to talk to the adjuster until you've talked to an experienced attorney like me. You also want to select the attorney, and the way you do that is make sure that they're experienced, they're highly rated, they have great reviews, and they have a track record of great settlements and verdicts. And then you want to make sure that you get the treatment you need. If you don't get the treatment and the diagnostic testing, then it's hard to prove the extent of your injuries. Usually it's conservative care with a chiropractor or physical therapy, and then if you're better, that's great. If you're not, you get referred to a specialist like a neurologist, orthopedic, or physiatrist. They can do the diagnostic testing like an MRI and other tests to see why you're not getting better. And then it's important to get the injections if they're recommended, and or the surgery that might be recommended. The greatest case is going to have the most serious injuries with the most extensive treatment. And if it's limiting your life for the rest of your life, then that's when you have the biggest cases, the catastrophic cases. So remember me, Richard Griffin of the Griffin Law Firm, 877 Pain Law, and I can talk to you about your case and how we can make sure that you get the settlement you need and deserve.